jetzt oben über den Grat oben.
Von der ganz da hinten kommen wir her.
Von da hinten kommen wir her. Weiß es, sag ich euch, weiß es. Aber da unten vor der kleine Bub. Jo.
Why you living with your mama?
Man, it's just a little samba.
This is just a little samba. Get all the typical drama. Feel the rhythm of the conga. This is just a little samba.
I make all the money.
No, you don't.
I get all the girls.
No, you don't.
I got my own sitcom.
No, you don't.
Huh?
No, you don't.
What?
No, you don't.
I star in the movies.
No, you don't.
I run my own label.
No, you don't.
Man, I only date models.
No, you don't.
Huh?
No, you don't.
Hey?
No, you don't.
Man, I got more property than Monopoly.
No, you don't.
You come around every now and then. Your clothes are different, but you're still the same. Why else would you come here? Scumbag on a mission. You're telling me that it's been a while. Shitty degree and a brand new life. Somebody let you come here. Scumbag with permission. Never thought I'd see the light to you around this place. What's a special occasion? Did you run out of friends? Here you are coming right again. And things are different but you still pretend. You got a reason to come here. Scumbag with ambition. And now you're telling me that things will change. And you'll be leaving in a couple days. You're gonna change your world someday. Scumbag with a vision. It must be nice to know you got it all figured out. But from where I'm sitting, it's the same thing again and again. You never stop to think before you open up your
Ja, wirklich so.
Bello, bello impossibile, con gli occhi neri e il tuo sapore medio orientale.